Hey guys, Tech Central here, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys a really good place to choose and build your PC. So let's hop in, and the place is Micro Center. They have so much tech that it's a tech paradise. If you want to look for a tech, go here. Most likely they're gonna have it. They might not have every single piece, but they have a fantastic amount. So this video is gonna be about PCs. So, you're gonna go to their main They're gonna go to their main webpage. It's called Micro Center. Let's see if I can do this better. Okay, yeah, you're gonna go to their main webpage called Micro Center, and you see this side. You're gonna go to System Builder, and then you're gonna go. There's a bunch of this. Then you're gonna go to Custom PC Builder. But first, let's see what other people have done. So in Micro Center, you can see a bunch of other people's custom PCs. So so this product was made by Your Average Consumer PC Build Guide on YouTube. I will leave a link to him down below because this is his PC. It's a mid-range PC for $1,843 with a really cool case. Then this is someone's first build. There's just a bunch of different builds on here. You guys can check them out. There's custom water cooled one, more custom water cool. They're just all more water cool. First the ground build up. Okay, PC, nice PC. See, all these PCs, they're really nice PC. So now we're gonna be going back here. You can use this arrow if you don't know how to use Chrome. And then let's go to System Builder and go to Custom PC Builder. This is the main part that I wanted to go over. So in here, you're gonna have a bunch of things that you need to make your PC. You need a CPU, you need a motherboard, you need RAM, you want a case, you need a power supply, you need a video card, you need a hard drive or an SSD. I'm pretty sure you're probably gonna go with an SSD though. And yes, and then you're gonna need CPU cooling. Either gonna go with this, or this. I think you're gonna go with one of these. Software. This is extra. You can get your own operating system. Key at a different place. You can get peripherals here. And you can get accessories like case fans, case lighting cables, and adapters, certain UPS, and USB flash drives. So, case fans are gonna benefit your PC by keeping it cooler, but you don't need them. But it's good to have. So, let's first make a selection on our motherboard, because then you know what components are compatible with it in all. So this is a North Jersey store, but I'm gonna go let's go North Jersey. So got a bunch. Actually, if I go by most popular, no, go by highest priced. The highest priced one that is in North Jersey is $800. And let's see what this has in store. So it's 4 slots of memory, Bluetooth version 5.1. It can support a Core i anything or Pentium or a Celeron. This is an Intel board. And 32 gigabytes memory supported per slot, so you can get 32, 32, 64. You can get 128 in this board. And yep, 128 max. And requires CPU with integrated graphics, onboard graphics chipset. Okay. So right then, this Bluetooth 5.1, Wi-Fi 6, Wi-Fi 4, done. Okay, so back panel ports, 2 Wi-Fi antenna, 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports, 2 USB Type A, and then you got 4 USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type A, and then Gen 1 Type A USB 3.2. Got 2. 1 HDMI 1.4. And okay, headers, got that, audio ports, subwoofer, rear speaker, okay, line in, just a bunch of things. So I'm not going to be going with this one because currently I don't know either Intel or AMD. They're both great chips. They're both great CPU brands, but I'm going to be going with AMD because they have more more bang for your buck. You get how much you're paying for. And I'm not saying that Intel's bad, but more people say that AMD is more bang for your buck. Intel's i9 is slightly better for gaming, that's it, than the AMD CPU 9. AMD 9, which I'll probably show later. So, I am going to be going down here. You got the Asus Z490. Okay, the 490 Strix 1200. Let's go. I'm going to go with the B550E. This is a I'm gonna check out this one quickly because this is a really talked about motherboard. A lot of people like it. You got onboard Wi-Fi. Does it have Bluetooth? Bluetooth. Yes, it has Bluetooth version 5.1. Okay. Ooh, okay. So you got a display port and an HDMI. You got 3 USBs. No, 3 USB 3.1 and 3.1, 3.2, I guess. And then you're going. Oh, you got 1 USB 3.2 Type C, and then you got 2 USB 3.2 Type A. So you got 2 USB and then you got 6 USBs and 1 USB. Okay, so you got 6 plus 1. You got and you got a USB type and a lightning port, right? No, Type C. Oh, Type C. Okay. Okay. What? How much RAM does this support? I just want to see. Okay, it's a Ryzen AM4. 30 per slot. Okay. Look, guys. This is a perfect motherboard to go with, but I want one with a little bit more ports on the back. Some people don't need more than 6 ports, maybe max, but I like one that has a little bit more. Okay, so you got Core. Dang, it's Intel. Okay, need to find no. Okay, there's 11 AMDs. Yes, I want AMD boards. Okay, thank you. Okay. No, actually no. If we go there, not go high price, most popular. Okay. Ooh. Oh, AMD 249. Okay. How many ports and Wi-Fi? It doesn't matter if it has onboard Wi-Fi for me, but if it does, it's a plus. Ryzen 30 GB per slot, 128. Okay, that's way more than I'm gonna need, or even probably ever use. Okay, so audio ports 3.1. So you got 1 Type C. So you got 8 ports here. Nice. Okay, so you got 8 here. Not bad. And then okay, yeah, so this has 8. They got 8 ports. And is there a thing here? See, is there like a memory slots? Whoa, okay, this is cool. This is something I never. Wow, Micro Center did a really good job. Onboard Wi-Fi, they all have 5 of them do. USB 2.0, hit land speed. They got everything here. Okay, so no. 709, this is, no, I'm not gonna go with that. That's too much for me, honestly. Oh, okay, so that's most likely gonna be for a Threadripper, not a normal, or not a cheaper version. Okay, is this gonna be for a Threadripper or no? Bluetooth 5 version. Nope, that's for a Threadripper. Threadrippers are really expensive, real expensive chipset. I mean, really expensive CPUs, and Threadripper again. Oh wow. I might have to go with the one that I saw. Wait, does this if this is not a Threadripper, I might go with this one. Packaging, okay. Chipset. Why is there so many Threadrippers? I mean, Threadrippers are a fantastic thing, so I'm gonna have to go. Actually, which one's better? Probably this one. I'm gonna go with the B550E. Yes, so this is gonna be the one that I want. Honestly, it wouldn't be the most ideal one, but let's just start building the PC. Got the motherboard. So let's get the motherboard, and then I want a CPU. And okay, so this is gonna be a okay, yep, 3800. Yeah, the key to record. I did that. Okay, let's go with the AMD Ryzen. This one, select that. Now let's go to the RAM. So this is an exciting part because there's so many different ones. You got Corsair, you got everything. So I'm gonna want RGB illumination just for the looks. Oh, ooh, not bad. You 8 gigs, you got 32 gigs right here. It'd be like 200 bucks maybe. RGB port. Dang, that's 120. Yep, 128. Never gonna use that. Okay, RGB Pro 16 gigs. Select that. Dual channel, yep. And I'm going to add. You can add more RAM, which people will do because why not? Okay, so go back to Corsair. This one, they just look so nice, and that's why I'm selecting them. It does get expensive, but they look so nice that, you know what, I'm gonna go for it. It's cases, so many different cases. Well, even EVGA. Okay, this is a okay, this is a really cool case. They both are cool, but I can go with one of them. You can't see, if you get RGB fans, you can't see them up front. Actually, I'm gonna go with Corsair. I like their cases. So, yep, this is a super tower. You can fit 8 fans in the front. It's a beast case. It really is. But I would never go with that. I would rarely ever go with that. Do they not have it? No, wait. Do they not have it? No. 28%. Wait. No. Oh, yes, this is the one that I really wanted. Yeah, they might have it. It might just not be in stock currently. Power supply. 650 watt. I'm gonna want a little bit more. Okay, 750 watt. Honestly, 750 or 850 watt. You're never gonna need anything more than that. But actually, alright, let's just go with the fully modular 850 watt. So I don't know if my power supply is correct for this. So if you're gonna go off of mine build, do not. You want to look up a calculator on how to calculate it. But video card, but 28 super. Not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. 2080. Oh yeah, 2080 Ti's are super expensive. Like 2080 Ti's, $1,200. You know what? This isn't a bad graphics card itself. It's really not bad at all. Oh, even this one's not bad. 80 Ti, 500. Okay, so I guess I have to go with the okay, this is honestly not a bad one, but I'm gonna go with the 2070 Super Gaming Overclocked. Oh, it's almost exactly the same. Okay, I'm gonna be going with the 2070 Super, not the RTX 2080 Super. I was gonna go with 2080 Super originally, but nope, keep going with it. That one. Okay, so we do have really nice SSDs here. I'm gonna go with the Samsung because I know Samsung SSDs are super reliable and they are fantastic. Like 150, 1 terabyte, 500 gigabyte for this much. Actually, no. If I can go there, I want to see something. Cause I know don't know if this has. I don't know if these people have it, but I've seen it. No. Isn't that an SSD or is it hard? No, let's just go with my. Honestly, it doesn't matter if flashy or not. Okay, 1 terabyte SSD. Okay, so we got SSD. Then I'm going to go with an M.2 SSD, which is, yeah, so this goes into your motherboard itself. Terabyte. Why not? This is, if you're gonna get this PC, you're gonna be covered. This is probably overkill for anyone who's gonna use casual use. If you're a gamer, this is good for a streamer. This would be a perfect streaming PC or just a PC to do both. Okay, let's see. 1 terabyte. I want to go with the 2 terabyte one just because it's so cheap. 8 terabytes for 154. What? Why not? 4 terabyte. You're most likely not going to need anything more. Optical drive. Oh, why not? Why not? Internal Blu-ray. I mean, okay, so this is an important decision you need to make. Are you going to be using CDs for PC, or are you going to be using streaming softwares? Like, Steam, Origin, and stuff like that? Or are you going to be, like, getting CD games for PC? That's a good question, but I am not going to be doing that. Because I don't think my case supports that. Video capture card. Ooh, what? Okay, so this is if you're gonna be some people if you're gonna use a camera as a webcam or to show your face, then you're gonna want a cam link, and yeah, you're gonna want a cam link or Actually, I don't know. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you get a cam link for it. But honestly, since this is only one PC, I'm not going to go with one of these. And most of the time you'd build two PCs, a streaming and a gaming, and then you would connect them. Got a heatsink, select. No thank you. Thermal compound. Corsair is good. $20, but you're gonna. It's worth it. You know it's good. Water cooling kits. Okay, and this is AI. These are AIOs all-in-ones, or you can get a custom. I'm going to be going with an AIO because they are really, really nice and simple to install. Or yeah, let's just go with that. Okay, you got nice RGB fins here, or you can go with 100i RGB Pro. This is a really cool one, but it's 300. But let's go with Corsair. I'm going to be going with their. Well, let's go black for this one. Why not? Let's go black. Why not? So you can get water cooling accessories, like. Okay, so this is if you're gonna be doing a custom water cool. You're gonna need a coolant, a distribution plate for your motherboard. You would undo the back. You need cooling. You need radiators. You're gonna need hard cool or water cool, hard cool or soft cool. You need a leak tester. You're gonna need so much, and that's why I'm not doing that. It takes you time to build that if you are gonna build it yourself. So an operating system select. I'm going to be going with Windows 10 Pro. I'm not going to be buying it off here. I'm going to be going on another website to get it. So I'm not doing that here. I'll be showing you guys what that website. Select no. Antivirus. Okay. No, guys, please don't do that. Please, just get Avast. It's fantastic. Avast is fantastic. Family 15 months up to 6 people. In business. Okay, so if this is gonna be, you can either make a choice to use yourself as one, or you can do a family 6 people, or you can just do one person. But I'm not gonna be doing that because I already use it. Okay. So now, you know what? So guys, this is the PC itself. You have an AIO thermal compound, or thermal paste that you put on your CPU when you build it. M.2 drive, hard drive, SSD, video card, power supply. So this is an overkill PC. I'm just gonna say you can do pretty much anything on this, besides maybe if you're a serious designer, this RAM might not be enough. You might need to get like 128 or more, or you going with massive files. But this is overkill. This is perfect for a streamer, gamer, anyone. Besides, unless you use your PC very excessively. So now I'm gonna be going into, so there's a website which I will be posting in the description of this video that you can get trying to think what they are. Operating systems like Windows 10 Pro, Windows 10 Home, and I'm gonna suggest going with Pro, but you can get them for so much cheaper, like $30 instead of $150, like as you saw here. But this is the end of my PC build video. I am not gonna be building. I'm gonna be building this PC itself. But I'm not going to. But yeah, I'm gonna be building it, but not for me, for someone else. And yeah, so I'm gonna be building this PC. He said he wanted me to design a PC, build it for him, and send it over. So I'm going to be doing that. and the entire cost of $2,264.88 plus tax. And yeah, this PC is a beast. Peace out.